We find inspiration from people who do wonders in our country and communities. Mpumalanga, you are on Spotlight.
As I've said it earlier on, we find inspiration from people who do wonders in our country and communities. So today is one of those days. I've come across a friendship unexpectedly so.
All right.
So, ngamukhethulu, ngamtumile.
Ungtumile, yeah. So, and to my people watching me, Togozani, because I'm also live on my Facebook page and I've got limited memory on my phone, so I'll have a few minutes. Ngihleli no friendship wami umakhelwane ngomanyoni namhlanje. Thokoza sotoba insizwe yakasibiya. Thokoza. So we are having a little conversation in the corner of Zia's office, Miss Zia, me and my daughter. Thokozani abakuboni kodwa ngikwazi ukushintsha la because I will stand.
Hi.
Thokoza. Thokoza.
Okay, Ekoko, I want us to talk about Lishoba as we are speaking. Exactly.
Thokoza.
If it wasn't for Ishoba, I don't think it would maybe Babesiyazana. But I'm cool because we friendship, we next door, you neighbor.
Thokoza.
To someone who doesn't understand Lishoba, ungathini?
Okay, hey, imithetho yeshoba miningi. And ishoba mina uqala nje ukulibona ishoba ngangilibona with the late Jabu Khanyile. Because every time he performed, why perform ngeshoba? You know, and I'd be all in awe. And then later I fell in love with other musicians like Umadala Kunene, who oqale ashunqisa impepho before I perform a stage. Then I fell in love with the work and the dress code of ngiyaya kumthetho weshoba ukuthi ngilazilaphi mina. Usisibusi Mhlongo, the late umkhaya wami, owayecula isintu, you know, and I had nothing and understood nothing about idloti.